And my question to you is, if you suddenly found yourself to be, say, a sophomore in college at Harvard, what do you think you would study, and how do you think you'd spend your time engaging in activities?
Well, the thing that you're likely to be world class at is whatever you obsessed over from, say, age 12 to 18. In my case, it was writing software, where I would think I was good, and then I would meet somebody who would tell me I wasn't, and I would look at their code, and I went through four sort of comeuppances of, oh, that's what a really good programmer looks like. And part of the reason I worshiped Digital Equipment was eventually it was a couple of their very best programmers who came and shared with me how they thought about it, how they did things. And I had studied their code, uh, and there were several people who were so key to my doing that. So today, I would go into software, which today that means going into artificial intelligence. Computers still can't read. They they cannot take a book of information and say pass an AP test on that book. And that's a solvable problem, but it's a knowledge representation problem. And I've always wanted to solve that problem. I'm jealous that maybe one of you gets to work on that. I'm unlikely to go back and be hands-on in that way, but it's the juiciest problem ever. I've thought about it for a long time. So I would go into AI.